What's up, VEE'S gang? I'm back with another video. So today I'm just working on the installations. So I'm headed there now, but right now, flip. I'm getting some air in my tire, unfortunately. Crazy because y'all remember I just got these tires, remember? But yeah, one of the tires is low, so I am getting air into the tire. Then I'm going to head to the studio to clean up because my boss is flying in, and I'm just trying to straighten up and stuff because I don't need no issues. Something been going on with the fur, so the fur has not been coming in, and it's been pushing my project back. It's just been so nerve-wracking because the fur has not been coming in. So I'm gonna just start on the installation for the fur that has came in, and then go from there. I also need to go to Dollar Tree to get a new battery into my key fob, which is this little thing right here, and I think it's my turn to get some air in my tire. So hold on. I said I need to go to Dollar Tree. So I need to go get that battery for the key fob because sometimes I can't start my car because I have a low battery on my key fob, and I just can't be having that because eventually the hoe's gonna die and I'm gonna be somewhere where I need it, and yeah, I'm just gonna be fucked and I'm gonna be pissed at myself. So yeah, I need to go to Dollar Tree to get that battery, and yeah, I'll check back in with y'all once I make it to the studio. Okay guys, I know this will work. Let's do a fit check. So that it could cut on and I could leave, y'all, and it finally cranked up, and that was just a wake-up call for me to say you need to go get this damn battery because you finna be somewhere stranded that you don't need to be stranded at because you don't want to go get this battery. Yeah, I had a little mini panic attack back there. But yeah, now I am headed home, and then we're going to go to Dollar Tree to get this damn battery. Yeah.
Early the next morning.
So she's gonna start her makeup. So I just gonna waiting on the live to start. Good morning, VEE'S gang. Literally good morning, like I still have stuff all over my face. And now I'm about to put my wig on because as y'all can see, these little braids I tried to do. And we gotta get ready for the shoot day because it's shoot day. Okay, I'm finished. test that little bit. So now I'm in the car, y'all. I'm about to head to Dollar Tree. Because remember the other day, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? One of these days I said I'm supposed to be going to Dollar Tree to get a battery for my car, and it's been like, what, 4 days? I was supposed to get a battery yesterday after I got home, but we never left the house, so yeah, now I can go get a battery and head to the studio. So, made it to the studio. But it was such a hassle. The Dollar Tree, they didn't even have the battery. I went to a different Dollar Tree. They didn't have the battery. It has the phone. The car wasn't even going reverse at Dollar Tree, y'all. So I had to take the thing apart, blow on the battery to pray that it'll cut the key fob on, and then drive to Family Dollar. It worked. Went to Family Dollar, had to pay $7 for a little tiny battery. This is my assistant today, guys. He matches the wall